locally hazardous seas. Seek safe harbor immediately. The urgent weather message for the following counties in Ohio: Hancock and Wood. The National Weather Service in Cleveland has issued a tornado warning for Wood County in northwestern Ohio. Urgent weather message for the following county, Defiance, Ohio. The National Weather Service in northern Indiana has issued a tornado warning for central Defiance County in northwestern Ohio, northeastern Paulding County in west central Ohio, until 9 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. At 8:24 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm capable of producing a tornado was located 8 miles north of Paulding, Oregon, 9 miles east of Ixville, moving east at 30 miles per hour. Hazard: tornado. Source: radar indicated rotation. Impact: flying debris will be dangerous to those caught without shelter. Mobile homes will be damaged or destroyed. Damage to roofs, windows, and vehicles will occur. Tree damage is likely. This dangerous storm will be near Defiance around 8:50 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time.